What is up, everybody? Welcome to another daily trading hub video. In this video, I'm just going to be doing my analysis on USDJPY. I'm expecting a buy opportunity for USDJPY. Why am I expecting a buy opportunity? Let's just dive into the analysis and let's see how it goes. So scaling all the way up onto the monthly time frame. So on the monthly time frame, we have our monthly upper zone, we have our monthly mid-range zone, and then we have our monthly lower zone. What has price been doing on a monthly time frame? So every time price has touched this monthly support on USDJPY, we've had strong push all the way to the upside, and we can currently see that price is moving to the upside again in an uptrend on USDJPY, breaking the mid-range zone and heading all the way to the upper zone on a monthly time frame. So how do we expect a take our buy on a monthly time frame on USDJPY? Let's just scale down to our weekly time frame. So on our weekly time frame, we can also see that price is clearly in a strong uptrend. We have our weekly mid-range zone, and then we have our weekly lower zone. So again, price has been in this range, and then we have our weekly upper zone. So price has been in this range, and currently we can see that price is breaking out of this range. So let me just quickly put it. This is the range that price was on the weekly. This is the range that price was on the weekly. You can currently see the strong uptrend on USDJPY. There was a strong push, there was consolidation, and then now price is currently breaking. And then, like I said, what do we expect? We expect more buy pressure all the way to the upside on USDJPY. What is another thing that we're seeing on a weekly that's telling us that price wants to reverse from here? This is acting like a morning star, which indicates the reversal or strong buy pressure, and it has managed to break this mid-range zone on a weekly time frame. It has managed to break this mid-range zone that has been acting as resistance. So what do we expect? We expect a pullback or price to come retest it as support. So how do we get that? Let's just scale all the way down to our daily time frame. So yes, so that's it. So you can kindly see the weekly zone clearly here. We can see our weekly zone very clearly here. Price has been consolidating here on a weekly on USDJPY, but currently we have a strong breakout. We have a strong breakout on USDJPY. So what has price been doing? There has been a higher high, there has been equal higher low, and then another equal higher high, equal higher low. Then price broke all the way out. We expect a retest of that breakout, which is acting like a weekly mid-range zone, before price eventually pushes all the way to the next upper zone on a weekly, and then we head to the monthly resistance on USDJPY. So this is why I am looking for buying opportunity, the strong buy pressure on USDJPY. Let's just scale down to our 4-hour time frame. So on our 4-hour time frame, again, we can currently see that there's a strong push to the upside. I expect price to come down to retest this mid-range zone on a weekly, which is going to act as support, and then price continues to buy on this pair all the way to the upside. If you've been with us in our Telegram, we've been milking USDJPY all the way from this zone. We've been milking USDJPY all the way to the upside on our Telegram. So all the way from this zone, we're milking USDJPY. So if you want to join our free Telegram, it's free to join. The link is in the bio, or you can DM me for the link and I'm going to send it to you so that you can also ride with us when price comes down here to this zone and then gives us confirmation. Our confirmation candle is morning star. It's a bullish engulfing candle or a bullish pin bar. Any of those confirmations we get, and then we continue to buy price all the way to the upside. Our first stop is going to be 160 before eventually price continues to go all the way to 162 and all upwards. So that's it for my analysis on USDJPY. Till the next one, peace, and I'm out.